Does cracking your knuckles really destroy your joints? You've probably heard it 1,000 times. Every pop is your bones grinding together, and you'll end up with arthritis. But here's the truth. That sound isn't your bones at all. It's just tiny gas bubbles collapsing inside your joint fluid. And studies show cracking doesn't cause arthritis. In fact, one doctor cracked only one hand for 50 years. No difference. Too much cracking might make your hands sore or swollen temporarily, but it won't wreck your joints long term. So next time someone warns you about cracking your knuckles, tell them it's just science snapping back.